Hi everyone, we're going to be doing a revising a flight plan problem using the law of cosines. So the way I labeled this is Chicago here, this is Louisville, and what happened is that a pilot wants to go from Chicago to Louisville, which takes 330 miles. However, he inadvertently kind of got off course by 10 degrees here, right in here. Alright, so he started flying this way for 220 miles per hour. Alright, the error was discovered after 15 minutes. So the first thing we need to know is how many miles did he go. So what you're doing is you're taking the 220 miles, and it was discovered in 15 minutes. That means a fourth of an hour. So basically all I did is take 220 times 0.25, and I get then in a fourth of an hour, he went 55 miles. So that's basically if he was going at 22 miles per hour. All right. So what angle, so we're looking for this, should the pilot turn to head towards Louisville? Okay, so basically we have our information. We have a angle side, which is the law of cosines. And it's going to be basically like we did the other problems before this. We have A equals 55. We have B equals 330. And we have gamma equals 10. So I'm going to do C squared. And basically what we're finding is this side here, which is right in here. We're going to find this area here. So basically the side across from gamma. So C squared equals 55 squared plus 330 squared minus 2AC cos of 110 degrees. And as usual, I'm going to shortcut this and do the square root. It's better if you do this part first than this part. So I'm going and square rooting both sides, and I'm going to get 111,925 minus 36,300 cosine of 10. See, this is where you make mistakes. So my gamma is not 110. My gamma is 10 degrees. And I know y'all saw that. So, all right. So now we have C, if you put this in the calculator, is approximately 276. So this right here equals 276, approximately. So we have all the sides covered, and now what I'm going to try to do is find this measure across from the 330 mile, so I can find this angle here. So basically I'm going to use, this is beta, because the side across from little b is beta. So I'm going to try to squeeze it in here. Cosine of beta equals a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2ac. So cosine of beta, maybe I shouldn't have done this. Okay, we get 55 squared plus 276 squared minus 330 squared over 2ac. I just copy down. Usually when I do this, I just look at these and copy these down. All right, and then we're going to do the inverse, so inverse cosine, so to find our angle. And go ahead and put this in the calculator, and you should get negative 29,699 over 30,360. So this angle here is approximately 168 degrees. So right here is 168 degrees. Therefore, to get this angle here, you subtract 168 from 180, and that gives you 12 degrees. So this angle here is 12 degrees. All right? Now, we have to answer B. What new average speed should the pilot maintain so that the total time of the trip is 90 minutes? So basically, let's go to the next page. We know that rate is distance over time. So if the total trip is to be done in 90 minutes and 15 minutes were already used, we already took 15 minutes, all right, then there's 75 minutes left. So 90 minus 15 equals 75 minutes left. All right? Or we can call this as 1.25. So we're basically going by 15s. All right? That's 5 15s basically. All right, now, so the plane must travel 276 miles in 1.25 hours, because we already went 15 minutes. Okay, so your rate's going to be distance over time. So distance is 276. This is your distance. Let me put this in blue. And this is your time. So this is going to be over 1.25. Let me write it again. This actually equals distance over time. So we get 220.8 miles per hour. So the pilot must maintain a speed of 228 miles per hour to complete the trip in 90 minutes. Okay. Thank you. That's all, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.